Hello there. Amit here, I'm the creator of the prospecting automated machine. So I'm gonna share quickly a demo of how this looks like. Before I go on, it's like there are two ways, fully automated and semi-automated, or we'd call it three quarters automated. and Basically, I always suggest to go with the not fully automated from the beginning to learn the system, and then we can see how it improves, and we can take it to full automation. So, just sharing my experience. So, at the beginning, what we will do in the case we depends the case we choose, but let's say we talk about the first one. So here in Apollo is the system that I have my automation working on. um, so as you can see, we have 230 million professionals here, and according to many different filters, we can narrow it down and get it to our exactly ideal customer profile, with training. Learning how to do it. This takes like 3 minutes and you get a list of thousands of your exact persona. So that would be the first step. Then we would take this and basically bring it here to an Excel sheet. Now, I know this looks scary and yeah, but actually, this is what I build, so you have nothing to worry about here. I just explain quickly. So, what we see is the Google Sheets that we just saw now, and it fits to the same one, right? This is the name, and I'm looking at this tab, prospects. So I just make sure that this is the correct one. Perfect. Now, when we have that, I'll just explain quickly what we see here, although you don't need to know. But essentially, is that we gather all the information from the prospect. So from here, so we see Ryan Peterson, and then here it's LinkedIn and where it's from, and then all the information we'll gather will go here to basically for the AI, for the machine to learn more about. So let's say here in the first branch we have the just scraping all of his LinkedIn profile, right? Getting like important information out of there and something that later on the AI could personalize the message. The second branch goes to recent posts that he posted. So that can enhance the personalization. And the third branch here, it goes to his company's recent news. Here we chose five recent news, but we can do basically whatever we want. Later on, it all continues down the automation, and then here we made it's a no need for this, but sorry, but we have two options. So one time the automation goes through ChatGPT, the other goes to Claude, and just to have variety and to understand later on with data which one writes better personalized emails. Here, just to show you, this is the brain behind, right? So I'm showing you my case. So Altitude BizDev, yeah, prospecting machine basically. And then, so this is like the information the AI gets and its instructions and so on. And with all of that, it continues and grows and goes and goes. And what we get, these are like follow-ups, right? So we don't just send the first email, but we send like another few follow-ups. So once we have all of that, we can just basically go ahead and run. So here I just put just for the, so don't get all of them. So I just put two, which is fine. And now when we run, so now you see it starts scraping the LinkedIn profiles, and it goes like this one by one. So now we have that. And what we will see in the Google Sheet itself is that we go here, And we will start seeing the here you see the fields getting filled. So we can see the personalized GPT message. Okay, so apparently they raised 10 million not a while ago. So why does it say that? We can look back and look at the post company news. I believe this is from the about. So yeah, we just moved to San Francisco, and so this is the level of personalization. Then is the follow-ups and the bye-bye email and so on. Now, okay, so these are two only, so it's already done. Now, the only last part that got left is to basically go back to the system we saw at the beginning. Basically, here we would upload the sheet back, and we would have um, yeah the person we just looked at, and all we have to do here is to press send. So that's that. And then if we would want to make the whole system automated, basically the thing that changes is here, except it, not to have a Google Sheet. Basically, we would have a different trigger that would just make the leads go in automatically, and we would trigger it to run every day or every other day, and so on. And as well, at the last module, we will have just an email that sends it automatically as well. So yeah, basically that's the system. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much.